Hello dear friends, here I am Ramjit Yadav, Mechanical Department of James Engineering College, Greater Noida. In the continuation of lecture of automobile engineering, it is my 18th lecture. In last lecture we were discuss about the suspension system, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about the types of the suspension system. How many types of the suspension system actually, and what are the basic parts of the suspension system. See, as we were discussed in last lecture, that is the suspension system is the term given to the system of the spring, shock absorber and linkage that connect wheel to vehicle to its wheel. It serves a dual purpose, that is the contributing to the car's handling and braking, protect the vehicle itself and any cargo and luggage from the damage and wears. Now the important thing is here that the basic parts of the suspension system. What are the basic parts? Okay, so first one is the shock absorber, or you can say a damper. What it means? What is it? What is the shock absorber? See, when you drive a vehicle over a rough road or rough surface or bumps or any, you feel any impact force by the wheel and spring flex to absorb this force, and this spring will oscillate in a vertical direction for a finite period of time before it can return to its original position, or you can say that it actually absorbs the vibration. And in order to damp down this oscillation motion of the spring to ensure both driving comfort and stability, and for this comfort you are going to use a shock absorber, and it is also sometimes called damper. You can also note it sometimes when a load is hung from the spring, and if the weight is pulled down and then it release, what will happen? The spring will continue to oscillate up and down for a considerable period of time. In the similar way, a vehicle suspension, or you can say that the shock absorber, when passed over a road where the irregularities are defined, the body of the vehicle will start to oscillating in vertical direction, and driving comfort will be impaired or damaged. In this, in addition to this, the tire do not contact the road surface securely when the vehicle oscillate in this manner. Okay. Now, second one, the control arm bushing. What is it? It is actually sleeves that allow the control arm to swim up and down on the frame. Now, the third part of the shock absorber is the leaf spring. You already study about the leaf spring,